how to edit your screenshots in a more advanced way on the iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how you can take your screenshots to a higher level than usual. Screenshots are a very useful tool because we can save something that is very important to us. However, screenshots are also used for editing and can serve as thumbnail or something else. In order to use the screenshot for something like that, we have to edit it additionally. However, this is not possible using the normal screenshot options. That's why we will use an application called Pretty for this. The application is free, so you can download it from the App Store. Once you've done that, open the app. When the application opens, select the screen you want to edit. When the editing options are open, you can edit the script as you wish by moving the sliders. You can determine the sharpness of the edges, padding, that is, whether the screen will be smaller or larger, as well as the shadows for the screenshot. You can also choose a background for your screenshot by selecting some of the options from the menu below. So you can choose the gradient, solid color, or image you want for the background. You can also choose a color by tapping on the palette located in the lower right corner. When you are satisfied with how the screenshot is edited, tap on the share icon located in the upper right corner. Scroll through the options and find the Save Image option. And that's all. Now your screenshot is ready for further use. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.